So teachers, first thing you need to open your drive.google.com. This everyone know it, and all the question papers will be saved in your drive. So teachers, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. It is visible.
Fine. So we will just create a new form. Click on new tab, go to more options, then open your Google Forms. And can you, before going to that, see, you can see all my prepared question papers here in the drive. Yes. So these are the papers which are saved in your drive, the previous papers, whatever you have prepared. So if you want to prepare a new paper, just go to new, click on more options, go to Google Forms. And first we will go with MCQs, teacher. So for going with MCQs, if you want to create like customize your header, customize your colors and give some header, you can go to this theme option and you can choose any image if you would like to choose. Okay, once it is done, now I'm just giving as revision. And before that, we'll just go to settings. Please remember this. First option, go to themes. If you don't want to set any theme, then directly go to settings. In settings, go to quizzes. In settings, you are going to quizzes. And here you need to on the quiz. Make this a quiz. Okay. Just on the quiz and save the options. Click on save. And now we are going to start our paper. Revision. Give some subject, English, for class, whatever it is, so and so. And then we will start. The first question should be, the child has to enter their name. So you can write, what is your name? And it has to be short answer because they will be entering the text here. So it has to be short answer. And just I'm entering one more question as enter class and section. And this also has to be, see, for the first question I did not give the required field. You have to give required field. Just check the required field, and we don't want any answer key or points to the first question because this is their name. So required field, then go to second question, give required field. If you give required field, you can see you will get the star mark here to the question. So this star mark indicates that the child has to mandatory attempt it. Okay. And now we will start preparing our question. So after doing this, you can just go to the next option. So if you want to go to next option, you can just go to next section, add section. And here you can add your paper now. Multiple choice. And then add the question. Add your first question. Who packs lunch for Kaya? Okay, and give the options. Option 1, father. For second option, teachers, you have to just click on add option, not or add other. Just click on here, add option. So second option I want to give as mother, third option as brother, fourth option as sister. Okay. And if you want to insert images, You can also add image. If you want to insert any images, you can add image. Once you give the options, just go to answer key and correct the what is the correct answer. You can just check the box and give the point. Suppose if it is 1 point, you can give 1 point and click on done. Click the required field. Please don't forget to click the required field. Now I want to go for the second question. Just click on duplicate question so that the same thing will be copied and it will be easy for you to enter the next question. Who is Gaya's brother? Ramu, Rohan, Raju. See, I have given 4 options and I am going to the answer key. Then select the correct answer, remove the first key and the point is 1. Because I have selected the duplicate option, it is already done. We have given point in first question, so it is copied here. And just click on done. And the required field is also copied. You can see this is already done because we have made a duplicate copy of it. Now again go for one more duplicate copy to enter one more question. How many pencils are there in Sirme's pencil box? So I like to give the options. And teachers, when you are doing the duplicate option, you need not change it as multiple choice. You need not add option because see already the duplicate things are copied here. So you need to just change them. That's it. So here I'm giving 3, 4, 5 and 2. And then go to answer key. Select the correct answer is 2. So I'll just remove 4 and I'll check 2 and then click on done. Here already point is given, so I'm just going to click on done. And now I prepared this for 3 marks. So 3 out of 3. 3 points, 3 marks. So same thing teachers, you have to prepare 15 questions from 6th to 10th. And the other classes 1 to 5th, you have to prepare these multiple choice questions. 20 questions you can prepare. And in multiple choice, you also have check boxes, drop downs. These also you can select. You can go for check boxes, you can also go for drop downs and multiple choice. Any 3 of this you can do in this pattern. So once you are done with this, once you are done with the test, you can directly go to send. After clicking on send, you can see here the link option. Just click on the link option, copy the link here, Ctrl C, copy, or just click on copy here. And now I'm coming to the meeting. I copied in the chat. I just came to chat. Teachers, can you just please check the chat? Did you find the link?
Yes, ma'am. Just now
Did you
it
get
is
the
visible
link?
on the screen.
Yes,
Visible
yes,
on the
ma'am.
Yes,
We
did
can
you
see.
get it? You can see the link. So you have to do this. You have to copy the link here, and when you just go here, you will find more options. Need not go to stop sharing. You need not stop sharing. So, but here for children, you will not go for sharing and all. So directly you will copy the link. What you do, you just copy this link. Now I have copied this link and go to Notepad and save the link here. Just open the Notepad, okay, and save the link here and write for which class and all. This link is for class 1, B or whatever, and subject, so that it will be easy. See, now this is class English, class 1 English link. So, and save it on your desktop or wherever you want to save. Once you save, copy this link from here and directly copy it in your Zoom meeting when you conduct your Zoom meeting for your children. Is this clear, teachers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And you have to save this, okay? And now just we will go back, and teachers, you can check your paper by yourself, okay? So for that you need to just go to preview. Click on preview, okay? And in preview, see what's your name. You can enter your name, enter the class, and click on next. We made one section, so it is getting as next. Then who packs lunch for Kaya? His father. Who is Kaya's brother? Rohan. How many pencils? 2. And then they will click on submit. See, once you click on submit, immediately even the students will get this view score option. See, I'm just clicking on the view score and I can see 3 out of 3 points. Can you see, teachers? Immediately the students can see their score and you can also see their scores. So I'm just going back to the question paper, and I have got 2 responses. Let us check this responses. So if you want to check your students' responses, click on this responses and go to individual. See, here you can find one of 3. First one is Priyanka ma'am, first C, father Rohan, and last one she has given 3, so it is wrong. So she got 2 points out of 3. You can see the score here. Now just go to the second student. Second student is Chris, and they got 3 out of 3 points. Okay, and then go to third. Third is some ABC and 3 out of 3 points. And if you want to get this in your Excel sheet, see here you can see create spreadsheet. Just click on create spreadsheet and create. Here after opening this, here right side corner you'll find create. Just click on the create tab and you can see your Excel form here. See, in Excel form which time they have submitted the answers and what is the score, the name of the student, class, and what are the answers also are displayed here. So from these, teachers, you can keep this database and you can also later enter into your MCB in your grade books. Any doubts till here? So that I'll go to the second paper.
Understood, ma'am.
Understood, teachers?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you increase the font size, ma'am? While we are typing, can we increase the font size, ma'am?
Yes, you can increase when you're typing.
Ma'am, can you show me that option, ma'am?
Here only in Zoom, see. Can you see now?
No, ma'am. You're not. While we are typing the question paper, ma'am.
While you're typing the question paper.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to just zoom the system. Here in the options you have to, here only you have to make it zoom. Or if you are using your mobile, just zoom with your fingers. That's it.
Ma'am, can you underline the something if we want to something highlight the word? Can we highlight, ma'am?
Highlighting the word, fill in the blanks you can give, but highlighting the word we don't have.
Okay.
So teachers till here, is it clear till here?
मैडम
Renuka ma'am?
मैडम एक बार वो जूम में लिंक देने का एक बार बताइए ना मैडम.
हाँ, Zoom में लिंक देने के लिए मैम, see you will open your Zoom, right? Ma'am, if this disconnects, please connect link to the same Join with the same link, okay? If the call disconnects, if the meeting disconnects, please join with the same link. So, madam, can you see more options here, Renuka ma'am? Or okay, I'll just stop presenting and then I will show you. That is better. Renuka ma'am, can you? Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Share screen. 1 second. I'll share and I'll show.
మృదులా మ్యామ్,
Yes, ma'am.
ఇది వాళ్ళు అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ అటెంప్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత వన్స్ సబ్మిట్ చేసిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ అటెంప్ట్ చేయొచ్చా మేడం?
లేదు మ్యామ్. Once if they submit, they cannot attend.
ఓకే, సబ్మిట్ చేయక ముందే మళ్ళీ ఒకవేళ మళ్ళీ వేరే క్వశ్చన్ అది రైట్ అనుకొని అది చేంజ్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఉంటుందా మేడం?
ఉంటది మ్యామ్. సబ్మిట్
సపోజ్ వాళ్ళు
is the possibility is there. Before submission only they have to do that, but once they submit they cannot do. Once they submit the answers, then they cannot change it. Okay ma'am. Renuka ma'am, can you see more options and chat here? When you open your Zoom meeting, when you open your Zoom meeting, you will find more options. In that you will find chat option.
1 minute, madam. I open करी 1 minute.
You will also find in more options. Go to chat option, and your chat will open in this way. The chat window.
Okay.
So here you have to just paste it. Control V or paste. Right click and paste or Control V and just click enter.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it?
Everyone बोलकर okay madam, अभी देखेंगे.
हाँ. Chat में you have to just go to chat and paste it.
Okay madam. Thank you madam.
Okay. Okay teachers, after doing this, you can just make a sample paper once again and preview. You can only go and preview and try to do the corrections, like try to check with the answers, so that you will be able to understand if you have done any mistake. Okay. And now I'll be sharing you the second form, like how to upload. So we'll go to the new form teachers now. Go to new form and go to Google Forms. Here you can give same thing. You can go to settings. Here teachers guest number. Can you please mute yourself? Thank you. So for the second question paper, this is for 5 marks question paper what I'm showing. Here you can give the untitled form as same FA1, and for 5 marks you can make it. I'm just giving as revision. First thing, you need to go to settings, and here select quizzes. On the quiz, and then teachers, can you see this immediately after each submission and later after manual review? Yes.
Yes ma'am.
Yeah. So for 5 marks questions, prepare separate paper, and in quizzes you need to select the second option.
Okay ma'am.
Please make a note of it. From 6th to 10th class teachers, please make a note of it. For the second question paper, whatever you are preparing, go to quizzes in settings, make this quiz enable, and then second option you need to select, that is later after manual review, not immediately after each submission. Please remember this. And the first paper we are not making any changes, we will just make this quiz, that's it. For the second paper, for 5 marks paper, we are going to select later after manual review. This option you need to select and click on save. Okay, and for this it is asking for email address, and then now we will start with the question. So our first question will be same as what is your name, and this has to be short answer. Required field, then enter your class and section. This will be your second question, required field. And now we will go to the section, next section. Here it will be short answer, long answer, essay type, whatever you want to give. Short answer, long answer, or drawing, or letter writing, paragraph writing, whatever you want to give, you can give in these stitches. So after giving this, just click on the tab, add question. In add question, we are not typing any question here. Please don't type any question. We are directly going to file upload. We are going to file upload, and here continue, click on continue. Okay, in file upload now we are going to click on, after file upload, if you want you can write the question here, but better go for the pic. Just select the image from your camera or photos, upload. New text document. Yes, ma'am. Harisha, ma'am. I think as you said, this document is not accepting like Word or
Yes, ma'am.
Notepad. So you can directly go to a image. Okay, you can just go to a image.
Ma'am, how can we convert it into PDF, ma'am? It may accept PDF, but the PDF I don't know how to convert that document.
You can directly, if you have net, you can do it.
Should
If
we
you have
download
net,
any
you
app,
can
ma'am?
directly, yeah, see, while saving, save as. When you save the word, you have to go to save as. In save as, you have to select as PDF.
Okay, so that directly we
Instead
can
of
do.
document, yeah, you can directly do.
And for this questions, ma'am, no need to keep there the answer key.
Yeah, they have to give, that's what I'm showing you.
No, she is asking teachers have to give any answer key, ma'am.
Answer key generally we are keeping for the MCQ, no, ma'am. So for this short questions
for
and
Yeah, ma'am.
For this,
long
no need
questions.
to give answer key. No need to give answer key because
We
we
give
are
the
giving answers later. And if you are giving long answer, then it is difficult to give the answer key. For drawing, it is
Yes,
difficult
ma'am.
to give the answer key. So no need to give.
Okay.
Just browse and you upload your file. I'm just uploading one pic.
We can do that, ma'am.
You have to just write in one paper, take a pic of it.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
I'll just show you once again. See,
Okay.
first thing, teachers, for second question paper, I'm repeating once again. For second question paper, you'll just open from Drive and untitled form, give the name for that, and then go to same. If you want any header, you can give the header. Go to settings. In setting, go to quizzes. In quizzes, make this quiz you need to enable and select second option later
Yes.
after manual review and save. Okay, once this is saved, now come back to the question paper. For second question, for second type of question paper, it is asking email address for the children, because we have to send the responses to them. Later we have to send the result. So higher classes, maybe everyone will be having, not an issue. And then you have to give the second question should be what is your name, then enter your class and section. Okay, this is second question. After that, what we have done, we have went to second section, and we are adding the short answer,
Ma'am,
long
excuse
answer,
me.
drawing or writing, whatever you want to give. And here you need to just click on add question, and in add question you need to select add question, you need to select file upload. What do you need to select? File upload. For file upload, teachers, write the questions in one paper, take a pic, and you need to upload here from the image. Just click on the image and upload from your system or from your mobiles. And once the question paper, whatever you are doing, is uploaded, allow only specific file types. Here you need to enable this, and then give document, PDF, drawing and image. These four you can give, select it, and maximum number of files, give 5. Maximum file size, give 100 MB. Then click on answer key. In answer key, give 5 marks, because you are preparing the question for 5 marks. So give 5 marks. Okay, and then we are not giving any answer feedback here, because 5 questions are there. We are not giving any answer feedback. Just give points and click on done. That's it. After clicking on done, don't forget to make it required. Just click on required field. Finish. Your question paper is done. Your second question paper is done. Only this much you have to do. For second question paper, you just give the questions, upload the file, and give this access to the students. That's it. And then save it. Send. Same thing. Copy the link, and then go to your notepad, and then enter the link here for questions. Now once you go for your Zoom meeting, then you can select this and then go to your Zoom, go to more options, go to chat option, paste the link and enter it. I think everybody have received this link also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
and you can also go to your preview and you can check. You can directly go to your preview and you can check whether the questions, whatever you have given, you can also try. You can just write the answers in one paper and upload and see how you are able to. Once this is done, teachers, you need to go to responses. Okay, can anybody send a pic? Can anybody attach one pic and send to the responses so that I can see one response? Just click on the link what I have sent you now and send one image to it, attach one file to it and submit. Okay, we got one response. So let us go to that. Here you need to go to response, teachers, and go to question wise or individual. Better go to individual and see here you got their email address, then 1 of 1, and here you can just see what is your name, Sweta, first see, and they have given this picture. See, you can open here. Can you see the picture they have attached? The student have attached one picture. So just open. See, they have attached here. You can view in this way. You can view the answers in this way. So the students will write the answers and they will send the pic. So just go through the answers, zoom it, go through the answers, make a note of it, and if you want to give, now suppose 5 questions, 5 answers they have given. Just make a note like first question, how many answers, how many like marks you want to give. So total out of 5, suppose I want to give 4 marks. Then go back to your paper. Okay. And now here you can give the marks. Can you see the points here, teacher? 0 out of 5 it is there because I did not give any marks. So I want to give 4 marks. I want to give 4 out of 5. Give 4 out of 5 and click on save. Just click on save. Once you click on save, and this has to be done for each and every individual, like for all your students, for all the students. Once you're done with all the students, then you have to click on release score. Click on release score.
Okay.
Okay, just click on release score, send emails and release. And Sweta ma'am, can you please check and tell me how many points you got?
Just a minute, ma'am. I'm checking.
Yeah.
Mridula ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
for entering section, no need to give any drop box, ma'am. Only short answers.
For entering section, you can, if you want, you can give Dropbox. No need also. Depends upon your interest, how you want to give.
Because yesterday I prepared a paper.
Then
in that I
continue.
did not ask them to
Yeah.
take, write section.
If you want for section, you
Class,
can give.
ma'am.
You can give drop down also. Otherwise, you can give directly enter class and section where the student can enter the class and section in one way.
చేస్తారా
Or
ఈవినింగ్
give class separately and section separately.
ఆఫ్టర్ క్లాసెస్ కదా.
Okay, ma'am.
Jyoti ma'am and
ఏం లేదు నాకు సత్తాయిస్తుంది.
check your marks and tell me like how many points you got.
Ma'am, I did not receive any mail, ma'am.
5 points. Ma'am, I have received. Jyoti ma'am, did you get?
5 points.
Pardon?
5 points.
5 points it is showing. Can you check now once again? And if you want to check teachers, after doing all this responses, okay, just check individually all the responses by tapping see here in the next response, next, and then go to spreadsheet. You can open it in spreadsheet, create. See here you can see Shweta ma'am got 4 out of 5 and Jyoti ma'am got 3 out of 5. So in this way you can give, and you can also see their link, whatever they have sent. Teachers,
Ma'am, now I can see my score.
yes, you can see, right? So see Mamata ma'am, it is automatically showing 0 out of 5 because I did not give the marks. I did not check the paper. Go back and check the paper and give the marks. Okay, here you can check and give some marks and then save it. Once you save it, you need to release the score. So this you can do at a time. After checking all the students, then you can go and release the score. See, now she got 5 out of 5. Mamata ma'am, can you see your score now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I am very talented student.
Ah, really? Very good, ma'am.
Yeah, 5 out of 5.
It out in this, is this very, I think this is more easy than MCQ attachment assignments. Is it right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So better go with Google Forms for the second paper also, where the students can write and they can send you back. So they will send the answers in this way. You have to just go to responses and individually you have to correct the paper, and out of 5 you have to give the points here. Out of 5 you have to give the points here and just save it. After saving, you need to release the score to the students. Once you release the score, the students also can check their points, and you will also have the database of the students. So this is the what the classes 6th to 10th teachers are going to do for the second paper.
Ma'am, I have one question.
Yes, ma'am.
This is Jyoti. Okay. Once they clicked on that link, once they wrote and they submitted the paper. If they submitted before time, some children what they will do, again they will go to chart, again they will click on that link, again they will start writing with the same name and section.
Yeah, but here you will get the link, the database. So first, how much, at what time they have submitted, everything you will get in your Excel file. So you can see like how many times they are doing the paper and everything. And but once if they do, ma'am, second time they cannot do. Are you able to open this link once again? Can you check?
Yeah, I'm able to open.
Are you able to submit? Once you please.
Yes,
try.
ma'am.
You are able to submit.
Yeah.
So
I tried. I can submit again.
Once you try and
I
submit.
will try once again.
Yeah, try and submit. Because once the paper is done, then we will just see for the options if they are able to do. Okay, teachers. This is the option what you have to give. Can you see in general? Go to settings. Jyoti ma'am, you have raised a very good question. Just go to settings and in general, can you see the required sign in limit to response only one time? Can you see this option? Please check this box.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. If you check this box, the students can attend only one time.
Yes, that's what we should
Okay.
take on that.
Yeah. So this actually, I don't think this is required for multiple questions, because when you click limit to one response, it is asking to email. It is asking to sign in with the email address. So I don't think all the lower classes also have their email addresses. Better for the second question paper, like for the higher classes, they can go with this option. General, limit to one response in general you have to do, and in quizzes you need to select the second option later after manual review. These two things you have to do, teachers. In general limit to one response, and in quizzes later after manual review. These two things you have to do in your settings. Okay, fine, I got. Teachers, any doubts in this? Is this clear now? So how to preview, how to answer the questions, how to check the questions, how to check the answers, how to check the student answers, and how to release the score for the students. So this release score you have to do for the second paper.
Mrudula ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, once please show me how to enter fractional numbers, ma'am.
How to enter?
Fraction form, ma'am.
Fraction form. If it is there, I think if it is there in your keyboard, you can directly go with it. Or
No,
let
ma'am,
me
it is
just
not
try.
coming.
Questions. Add question. You'll just do divided by only, no? 2 divided by 3. In this way, you have
Where also not there. All that science.
2 /
Science.
what you are going to give as a fraction.
Square also requires, ma'am, sometime. Square. Raised to power.
Dash na, ma'am. 2/3.
Yeah.
They'll get confusion, ma'am. If we'll write like this, 2/3 we want, ma'am. 2/3. Numerator.
Wait, let me check.
Sleeping line, then denominator.
You do one thing, Shweta ma'am. What you can do here
Yes,
is
ma'am.
write the fraction in one paper, okay?
Ah.
Or you copy that from your Word and make it as a pic. And can you see the image here?
Yes, ma'am.
Select the image and paste it here, and give
But
the
ma'am,
option.
ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. MCQs also we have that, ma'am. Full chapter
Yes.
is there.
Yes.
Fractions chapter.
Okay. In options also you have the fractions.
Yes, ma'am.
I think this question. Let me just try. Because here we have only our keyboard option. So whatever is there in our keyboard we can use.
Yes, ma'am. Yesterday I tried, ma'am, but it is not possible to me to write the fractions.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can do in MS Word, ma'am. Copy there and you can paste here, ma'am, question.
So is
MS
it
In MS Word, you type the question there, ma'am. Copy here, ma'am.
1 second, let us try it.
Just now I tried, ma'am. So
Okay, Word.
I did like
Then
that
is
only.
it accepting in Word also, from Notepad also?
just ma'am, copy that what we are typing. Just you copy that one.
So here you'll be having insert fractions,
Equations.
right? From there,
Yes, ma'am.
insert equations. Okay, suppose if this is the equation. We'll just try to copy this. Yeah,
Yeah.
can
Got
you
it.
see?
Yes, ma'am. I also have the same problem.
Okay, so better like you can go to Word, type it, and then copy the options. Also, you can copy here. Copy the question and copy the answer.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
for
ma'am.
maths teachers.
Ma'am, for 5 marks we can write it in one paper and
Yes,
we can
yes. 5 marks.
upload image.
Yes, yes. For 5 marks, for 6th to 10th, you have to write in one paper, take a pic, and upload in this way. Here I have
Okay, ma'am.
uploaded it. So you have to upload because the it will be difficult for the students to type. So don't give short answers, long answers, or anything in writing. In texting, you don't give. Give in writing.
Okay, ma'am.
So they have to write in a paper and then they have to upload. So for multiple choice questions, type the equation in your Word. In Word you can do. So from Word you copy and paste it here.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubts, teachers? Second paper, is it clear? Teacher, second paper, how to prepare and how to upload the file? So teachers, I hope everything is clear now.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you explain the Zoom meeting settings, ma'am?
Just open Zoom. Okay, this is the home tab and go to create schedule meeting. Here you will give your meeting, like if it is FA exam and your subject, English, whatever it is, and class also you can give in the topic. You can give class, exam, whatever you want to give, everything you can give here. Start time, okay, and here what is the start time, what is the date, give the date, and when you are starting the time you have to give the time here. The duration will be 40 minutes. 45 minutes is there. You can make it as 40 minutes or 45 also. By default it will end by 40 minutes. Then go to personal meeting ID, teachers. Don't go to general automatically, because if you go to general automatically it will be difficult for the students to use the password. So go for personal meeting ID. So in personal meeting ID you can give 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can create your own ID, which is very easy for the students to give the password. And then video on, host video on, participant video on. That's it. We are not creating any recurring meetings or nothing. So it is just click on schedule. So if you want to admit the students, here go to advanced option and enable waiting room. If you are making enable waiting room, like every child, whenever they are coming into the class, you need to admit them. If you don't want this option, you please don't check this. If you want the option to admit, then you can select this. Okay. Then enable join before host, this also. Suppose if the child wants to join before you, then you can check this box. Mute participants upon entry, you can give. Automatically record meeting on the local computer also, you can give automatically recording. Or if you are using phone, I think we don't have any recording option. I think we don't have recording option in Zoom. So from PC you have the recording option. That's it. You can give this according to your convenience and then click on schedule. And once you click on schedule, just go back to Zoom, go to meetings, and you will find your meeting here. Click on the meeting, copy the invitation. Just copy the invitation and paste it in WhatsApp. I am pasting it in chat now. See, in chat I am pasting. Did all of you get the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
That's
Yes,
it,
ma'am.
Anisha ma'am. Just
Yes,
copy
ma'am.
from there, and the link you need to link you need to send to in WhatsApp, because we are going with WhatsApp now. So for Zoom link, you can send it in WhatsApp. So
Okay,
every
ma'am.
day we have only one exam, so no need to worry. We will be sending only one link. Okay, teachers?
Okay, ma'am.